Why does your scanner show the P048E engine code? What does it mean? P048E is a diagnostic trouble code for exhaust pressure control valve A, position, sensor, or switch circuit high. The P048E engine code indicates that ECM or TCM has detected a voltage drop or an electrical fault in the circuit that controls the automatic transmission's shift solenoid E. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty EPC valve, wiring issues, corroded connectors, blown fuses, bad engine computer, PCM. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Volkswagen and Audi. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel